Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ajaib. For those who did not know, right now I'm in Ethiopia. Are you shocked? Yeah, I'm in Ethiopia. I'm in Adama, Ethiopia right now, and I'm so excited to share everything with you. Everything here in Ethiopia is probably going to be new for you guys. Well, maybe not everything, but different things are here than there in America and in different countries. Ethiopia, I feel, is a little, what do I say? Like, what the thing I like about Ethiopia that it's not there in America is that in America, most of the time you're staying home, or like even if you go outside, then you're like going outside of your house. But like here in Ethiopia, it's like your house is outside, so like you can get fresh air anytime. And that's another thing I also like about Ethiopia is the fresh air, and it's so nice. I love the air, except at some places when the cars are moving, it's like I don't like it. Like it smells really really bad. Like if you're riding those little taxi, I don't know if you guys know, but they call it bajaji here, and it's like these small blue cars, white and blue cars, and when you go inside those, like it's really really cold. Ethiopian weather is not bad, but like the time we came, I feel like it's really bad because like right now it's like what is like winter type of thing, and it's like cold season, rainy season, but they don't have any snow here. That's the only difference. One time we were inside Addis Ababa Finfinne, we were inside there, and it was like this like ice raining down, and it was like really 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 cold. But I'm so excited to share everything with you guys, and even making this video is a big deal to me because getting internet here is really hard. Like we went to 3 hotels and none of them have internet except this one. This one had internet, so I'm recording this video, and I hope I'm gonna be recording more videos for you guys, and I'm gonna record videos, of course. I'm probably gonna post it when I get back to America, and 2 months went by like this, and my family's okay, everybody's okay, and I'm so excited to share everything with you guys here. Ethiopia maybe is gonna be, if you come here, maybe it's gonna be more higher than you expected or more lower than you expected. But for me, I feel like it's more higher than I expected. Like I kind of underestimated it, kind of, I guess. But I feel like it's more real, and it's more like things here. They're like, I don't know how to explain it though. If I was to like, before I came here to Ethiopia, in America, when I was in America, I was like really like excited to see my family. I never really thought about Ethiopia a lot. I just thought about like my family and everything. I'm so excited to see my family, and I saw a bunch of them. And I've been to countryside too. Countryside is actually fun. I don't know, but I recorded a lot of things that I'm so excited to post it so you guys can see it. I literally just emailed my friends today. I never got any internet till today. So I'm thankful for the internet, and I just wanted to make a short video to let you guys know, because you guys are probably like, I did not post in a while. What's wrong with her? So I was just recording this to let you guys know that I'm in Ethiopia and I'm doing good, and I'm ready to post for you guys, and just be ready to see the posted videos. So yeah, thank you for watching. Um, it's literally about morning here right now, like 7 a.m. or something like that. And I'm in Adama. Adama is so nice, guys. Adama is so nice. I literally took pictures yesterday, and I'm gonna put it in the outro so you guys can see a little bit picture, a little bit view. So I love you guys, and bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you in my next video.